How to cancel an order on Uber Eats. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually cancel an order on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to cancel an order on the Uber Eats app, all you have to do is simply launch the Uber Eats application first, sign into your account, then you want to go to the orders tab, which is at the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to the orders tab, on the next page you will see this type of interface as well as a list of all of the upcoming orders that you have. If it has not yet been delivered to you, you can actually still cancel the order. If the food has already been prepared, it is difficult and you might need to actually pay a certain amount of fee. But if the food has not been prepared, then it will not charge you for anything, of course. So all you have to do is just select the option called cancel order over here. Once you tap on the button that says cancel order, on the next page you'll find this option called cancel order, and here you can see in my case it just says there is a $15 charge to canceling it now. If you're happy with the payments, then you can just cancel it if you want to, or else you can just get the food delivered to your doorstep. And that is it for this video on how you can actually cancel your Uber Eats order. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.